Most side hustle content on the internet is fake. It's vague. It uses words like passive income and scale without ever telling you what someone actually made, in which month, doing what exact task. So let's fix that. The gig economy hit $455 billion globally in 2025, according to Statista, and 36% of American workers now earn side income. These are the ones that actually hit $1,000 a month, with the real numbers behind each one. Number 1, freelance writing. This is the most accessible hustle on the list. You do not need a portfolio on day one. You need the ability to research, write clearly, and deliver on time. Businesses, newsletters, and blogs are all paying for content in 2026. Upwork lists hundreds of active writing jobs daily. The honest timeline: brutal first 2 months pitching, then 1 recurring client at $200 a month, then 2, then 5. Most writers doing this for 6 months report $1,000 to $1,500 a month consistently. The ceiling is higher. Experienced writers on Upwork charge $75 to $150 per hour. Number 2, social media management. 3 clients paying $350 a month each is $1,050. That is the math. You schedule posts, respond to comments, write captions, and track basic analytics. You do not need a marketing degree. You need a working knowledge of Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn, and the discipline to show up consistently for clients who do not have time to do it themselves. The going rate for a beginner is $300 to $500 per client per month. By month 6 with a solid portfolio, that rises to $600 to $1,000 per client. Number 3, online tutoring. Platforms like ProBlogger and Wyzant report top tutors earning $1,000 to $3,000 per month. The rate depends on the subject. Math, coding, and language tutoring are the highest demand categories in 2026. At $40 per hour for 10 hours a week, you hit $1,600 a month. You do not need a teaching certificate. You need proof of knowledge, a decent webcam, and reliable scheduling. Canada bonus. ESL tutoring for French first learners pays well in Ontario and Quebec specifically. Number 4, UGC content creator. UGC stands for user-generated content. Brands pay you to film short videos of yourself using their products, not to post on your own account, but for them to use in their ads. You do not need a following. You need a smartphone, decent lighting, and the ability to speak naturally on camera. Reddit and platform reports show beginners earning $1,200 to $3,000 per month part-time once they have 5 to 10 completed pieces in a portfolio. Platforms to start: Insense, Collabstr, and Fiverr. Rate for a beginner: $150 per video. Rate at 6 months: $300 or more. Number 5, AI automation, freelancing. This is the fastest growing category on every major freelance platform in 2026. Businesses want someone to build automations using tools like Zapier, Make, and N8N, connecting their CRM to their email, their forms to their spreadsheets, their customer service to a chatbot. You do not need to code. You need to understand how these tools connect. Upwork data shows AI automation freelancers earning $60 to $150 per hour. A college student in one case study reported $900 in month 1 editing reels. By month 3, $5,000 from recurring clients. The entry barrier is a free Zapier account and 3 to 4 weeks of learning. Number 6, flipping, thrift stores, Facebook Marketplace, eBay. Buy low, sell higher. Electronics, vintage clothing, furniture, collectibles. The people consistently clearing $1,000 a month doing this are not lucky. They have learned what sells and at what price on eBay and Facebook Marketplace specifically. The learning curve is the biggest barrier. Your first few purchases will sit unsold for weeks. By month 3, you start to recognize which categories move fast. This is the hustle with the lowest skill ceiling, but the highest patience requirement. Number 7, virtual assistant, email management, calendar scheduling, data entry, customer service, research. If you are organized and reliable, businesses will pay you $20 to $60 an hour to handle the tasks their founders hate doing. The catch is the same as every service hustle. The first client is hard to land. Most VAs report breakthrough success through referrals, not cold pitching platforms. One client at $500 a month is your proof of concept. 2 clients is $1,000. This is one of the few hustles with almost zero startup cost and zero required skill that you do not already have. Number 8, selling digital products. Notion templates, Canva budget trackers, resume templates, workout plans, designed once, sold forever. Etsy and Gumroad are the primary platforms. A teacher selling lesson plan templates on Teachers Pay Teachers reported $1,000 a month within 3 months of consistent uploads. The income is not immediate. It takes 60 to 90 days of consistent uploading and Pinterest or TikTok promotion before it compounds. But once it does, each additional upload adds to the total without additional hours. This is the only hustle on this list where your time investment genuinely decouples from your income over time. 8 hustles. Every single one has someone clearing $1,000 a month right now. None of them are passive from day one. None of them are instant. The ones that scale fastest, freelance writing, UGC, AI automation, reward people who start before they feel ready. The ones that compound over time, digital products, reward patience. The question is not which one is best. The question is which one fits your skills and your available hours, and which one you can start this week instead of next year.